There's an easy way and a hard way of doing everything. And every video I've looked at on YouTube is showing the hard way to disconnect the daytime running lights. They're cutting wires. They're removing the entire module. They're removing relays. I'm going to show you the easy way, the common sense way, Fjester's way. And it really is easy as F. Let's go do this. With the hood open, look down behind the driver's side headlight, and this is the plug that you are going for. In order to reach that plug, you've got to get behind this cover plate. To remove that plate, you're going to want to push out from the inside on the far right corner. With your hand, reach down through the hole and push on that right side corner and push out. It snaps and you'll feel it and hear it. This is what you'll see when that corner snaps out. Now, with your hand, pull away from the headlight and this piece will come right off into your hand. No damage. Here is that plastic cover piece that you just took off. On the left, you can see the pieces that you pushed from the inside, and on the right is the little keeper that holds it snug underneath the headlight. Okay, here's the secret. Right here where my screwdriver is touching and pointing to, that is the single piece that you need to push in while at the same time pulling it apart. What I did was I reached in from the top with my left hand to pull on the connector while at the same time I'm pushing that pin with the screwdriver. And just like that, you can see the connector comes apart. For reassembly, stick that little slotted keyhole into this rubber grommet right here and push the plastic piece underneath the headlight lens cover. Those two little snap things snap into those square holes right there. You can double check your work from the top after you're done. And as you can see, we're done. No more daytime running lights, and I am out of here. See ya.
That was easy.